This is your time to pause, to be still, to come back to yourself. Wherever you are, begin by settling in. Let your body feel supported by the chair, the bed, the floor beneath you. Close your eyes gently, if that feels right, and begin to notice the breath. Let's begin with 3 slow, intentional breaths. Inhale through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth. Again, breathe in and inhale. One more time, in and slowly out. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. No need to control it. Just feel it. Notice the air as it enters your nose, fills your chest, softens your belly, and then flows back out. With each breath, invite a sense of softness. Each inhale welcomes presence. Each exhale, a gentle letting go. Bring your attention to the crown of your head. Notice any tension there and let it melt. Now your forehead. Soften. Your eyes. Unclench. Let your jaw relax. Your shoulders drop. Feel the weight of your arms, your hands resting gently. Scan down your spine to your hips. Let them be heavy, supported. Feel your legs, thighs, knees, calves, relaxing. And finally, your feet, connected to the earth. Let your whole body be here, still, safe, supported, held by this moment. Now, allow yourself to rest in the space between thoughts. Notice that space, the silence underneath the breath, the pause after each inhale, the stillness between the exhale and the next breath. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just here, being. If thoughts arise, that's okay. Greet them kindly and let them drift like clouds. Return gently to the breath. The rise and fall, the peace inside it. Begin to slowly return. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Gently roll your shoulders or move your neck. And when you're ready, open your eyes.